If you are over 60, this video is optional for your independence. It's essential. Because after age 60, adults can lose up to 1 to 2% of their muscle every single year. That loss isn't just about strength, it's about your balance, your walking speed, how you climb stairs, and whether you can stand up from a chair without help. But here's the part most people never hear. This muscle loss is not normal aging, it's disuse. Today, I want you to hold on to one powerful promise. There is one simple exercise that protects your muscles, your joints, your heart, and your confidence all at the same time. And by the end of this video, I will reveal the secret method that makes it work, even after 60. First, let me ask you something important. Have you ever felt your legs getting weaker, your knees less stable, or quiet fear of falling that you never had before? That fear isn't weakness. It's your body warning you that sarcopenia is starting to steal your independence. The tragedy is that many seniors are told to take it easy when their muscles actually need the right kind of movement. Muscles are like a savings account. When you stop depositing movement, your balance, strength, and confidence slowly drain away. This is where cycling becomes different from every other exercise. Unlike running, it doesn't punish your joints. Unlike walking, it creates constant muscle tension. And unlike gym machines, it feels safe and controlled, which is critical for older adults. When you pedal a bicycle outdoors or on a stationary bike, you activate the large muscles of your thighs, hips, and calves. These are the exact muscles that protect you from falls, help you climb stairs, and keep you walking independently. Here's the science made simple. Cycling sends a strong signal to your muscles that says, "Stay alive." It improves insulin sensitivity, so your muscles absorb nutrients better. It increases blood flow, so oxygen reaches aging muscle fibers, and it gently stimulates growth hormones that slow muscle breakdown. This is why seniors who cycle regularly often say something powerful. They don't just feel stronger, they feel younger and more confident. Cycling is rhythmic, predictable, and safe, which lowers fear. And when fear drops, movement increases. When movement increases, muscles respond. But I must stop you right here for a wake-up moment. Myth alert. Many people believe cycling is only cardio and does nothing for muscle. That is false. The resistance comes from the pedals themselves, especially when you use light resistance or gentle hills. That resistance is exactly what aging muscles need to stay active without injury. Now, let me speak to you not just as a doctor, but as a friend. If you're sitting at home right now thinking, "It's too late for me," I want you to hear this clearly. Muscles respond to movement at any age, even in your 70s and 80s. Studies show improvement in muscle size and strength when the right exercise is used. And cycling is one of the safest entry points because you are seated, supported, and in control, which protects your knees, hips, and lower back. But here is where most seniors unknowingly make a mistake. They either do too little, or they push too hard, and both lead to disappointment or pain. This is why the method matters more than the bike itself. In a moment, I will reveal the exact way to cycle that signals muscle preservation instead of fatigue. But before that, I want you to imagine your future for a second. Imagine standing up easily, walking without fear, climbing stairs while holding groceries, and saying yes to trips and family outings instead of avoiding them. That future in a fantasy. It's built through small, safe, repeated actions. And cycling is one of the few exercises that trains your legs, heart, and brain together, improving coordination and reaction time, which further reduces fall risk. And here comes another wake-up moment. Doctor warning. Inactivity is more dangerous than gentle exercise after 60. Doing nothing accelerates muscle loss faster than most chronic diseases. So, waiting is not safety. Waiting is risk. This is why I want you to stay with me until the end. The secret method isn't about cycling harder, longer, or faster. It's about cycling smarter, with a simple structure that tells your muscles to rebuild instead of break down. When you learn it, cycling stops being exercise and becomes medicine for independence. And if at any point you feel this message is speaking to you, remember this channel exists for one reason only: to help you stay strong, mobile, and dignified as you age. Because growing older should never mean giving up control of your body. Right after this, I'll show you how most seniors accidentally block muscle rebuilding, what to avoid daily, and then I will finally reveal the secret cycling method that protects your strength after 60. So stay with me, because your strength isn't gone. It's just waiting to be reactivated.